Welcome back. In today's session, we'll explore job scheduling and automation using Trigger.dev alongside Supabase. We'll cover setting up database-based triggers, scheduling recurring jobs, and automating workflows to simplify your application's operations. Trigger.dev is a fantastic tool for scheduling jobs and setting up automation workflows. By integrating Trigger.dev with Supabase, you can automate actions like sending notifications, processing data, or even managing user-specific tasks, all in response to database changes or on a set schedule. This opens up powerful possibilities for creating efficient, hands-free workflows. With Trigger.dev, you can set up triggers that respond to database events in Supabase, such as an insert, update, or delete. This can be useful for sending alerts when new data is added, updating stats, or triggering custom workflows on specific conditions. For instance, you could automatically notify a user when a new comment is added to their post, or trigger an email when a specific threshold is met in a sales database. Let's look at practical automation examples. Imagine a task notification system. Every time a user completes a task, Trigger.dev could automatically update a leaderboard or send a congratulatory message. Or, if you're managing data processing, you could trigger ETL processes to clean and analyze data at scheduled times. The integration between Supabase and Trigger.dev allows for highly tailored automation, making your app more responsive and proactive without adding manual overhead. Using Trigger.dev with Supabase brings your app's automation to the next level. It's a simple yet powerful way to keep your users engaged and your processes running smoothly. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into cutting-edge development tools. Do you need expert guidance or Supabase consultancy? Meta Design Solutions is here to help. Reach out to us at this email ID. See you in the next video.